Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Equinox. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, XM satellite radio, backup camera, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, cruise control, side airbag, power windows, power door locks. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.